Great. Now, Hawkeye, it's time to do your thing.
I'm out of arrows.
What?
I'm all out of arrows. I don't have any more. So, I guess I'm done, right? All right, I'll be in the car. Stay safe.
No, wait, no, Hawkeye, wait, you're leaving?
Well, yeah, I mean, I need my arrows. It's kind of my thing, right? You guys got this.
How many arrows did you bring?
All of them, like 11.
11?
11, there are 100,000 aliens out there.
And I killed 11 of them. You're welcome.
You gave me a chance, I would take it. Shot.